Want to create a modern poster that looks bold and creative? In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a photo masking effect in Canva that turns any design into a stylish cutout poster. So go to Canva and then choose your project size. I will choose Instagram post size. And then go to element and type heart, enter on the graphic. I will choose this one. And then I will rotate it like this. And then duplicate and place it here. Duplicate, I will place here. And then duplicate and rotate. And I will place it here. Now I will select them all. And then I will rotate like this. And reduce the size. Now I will download it. Transparent background as PNG and download. Now add a page. And then type white here. On the photos, I will choose this one. And then upload the page 1 PNG. Now select the white element, go to apps and type cutout, enter, and choose this icon. Scroll down, image, and click the hearts and click use selected image. Okay. Now increase the size to fit the height and remove these two elements. Scroll down here and then add to design. Okay, and then I will change the background of the page to make me easier to see the design like this. And then I will move it here. I will crop first. Okay. Increase the size. And I will rotate it. Okay. Increase more. Now I will go to element. And then I will scroll down to this frames, click see all and type here heart, enter. I will use this element, basic heart. I will rotate it and place here. I will reduce the size a little. Okay. And move it here. And then upload your photo or I will use this Canva element. Okay. I will crop it and increase the size like this. And then go to position, layer. I will move it behind the frame. And I will increase more. And then I will add a photo of a woman that using eyeglasses. And then I will move it here, double click and rotate, move here. So for example, this is an advertising about eyeglasses. Go to position. I will select them all and I will move it to the left a little. So I can write some text here and then add a text here. And then add the logo. And if you want to change the color, just click on the frame, go to edit, choose dual tone, custom, and change the highlight color to another color. And then share, download as PNG or PDF, only the page this design, and then click done and download. So now you have it. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this tutorial and subscribe for more Canva tips. And before you go, don't forget to check my Gumroad store for exclusive Canva templates. Links in the description. See you in the next video and have fun with Canva.